In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change multiple row heights in Google Sheets. Whether you're tidying up your spreadsheets for a presentation or simply trying to make them more readable, adjusting row heights can make a significant difference. To get started, open your Google Sheets document. If you haven't already got one set up, it's easy. Just head over to Google Drive and create a new sheet from the options provided. Once your sheet is open and you've located the area that needs adjusting, you're ready to dive in. Your first action will be to select the rows you want to change. Click on the number at the beginning of the row. Hold down the mouse and drag to select multiple rows, or hold the Shift key for consecutive rows. Once selected, you'll see the rows highlight, indicating they're ready for adjustment. Next, place your mouse pointer between any two selected row numbers until the cursor changes into a double-sided arrow. This is your indication that you're in the right spot to resize. Click and drag your mouse down to increase the row height, or up to reduce it. Once you're satisfied with the new height, simply release the mouse button and the rows will adjust accordingly. Now let's explore another method to adjust row heights, which gives you even more control. Begin as before by selecting the rows you wish to modify. Once highlighted, right-click on any of the selected row numbers. This will bring up a context menu full of useful options. From this menu, click on Resize Rows. After selecting Resize Rows, a window will pop up asking for a specific height for your selected rows. You'll want to enter a numerical value which represents the height in pixels. If you've got a specific height in mind, type it in. For example, typing in 25 will make each selected row 25 pixels tall. Giving rows a consistent height can bring uniformity and professionalism to your sheet. Once you've typed in your desired height, hit OK to apply the changes. You'll instantly see the selected rows adjust to your specified dimensions. And there you have it, an organized and well-presented spreadsheet ready for any analysis or presentation needs. With these two methods, you can easily manage the appearance of your Google Sheets. Whether you opt for a quick click-and-drag solution or a precise height adjustment through the context menu, you've got the tools to keep your sheets neat and consistent. We hope this guide helps streamlining your workflow in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.